Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at the Sephora VIB sale. I picked up a few items. I didn't pick up that much stuff, but I do want to show you guys what I got. Some of you guys probably have seen some of the stuff because I have done first impressions on them already. And I also got 2 boxes in PR from 2 different companies. Wanted to show you guys what I got in PR as well. So we're going to do a Sephora VIB haul / PR unboxing for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. First thing is, let's jump into my bag from Sephora. Now, some of these products are already open because I've already been playing with them. I have no patience. I cannot sit and wait to film something. I need to start using everything. So the first thing is this palette from NARS. So you guys probably already saw my first impression on it. Look how much I've been using it. Yes, I haven't had it for that long, and yes, I am using a ton of this product. This is the Hot Nights palette, part of their face palettes that they released for the spring. There's 2 different ones. There's like Summer Lights, and there's this one that's Hot Nights. I adore this palette. If you guys want to see my first impression on it, definitely look for it. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. This is a fantastic palette. It's incredible. I'm so happy I picked that one up. That was a total win and last minute purchase. Then I picked this up. I have not opened this. And this is from Moschino and Sephora. And this is their liquid polish, and it's in white. So it's supposed to look like a whiteout. If you guys can see, it looks like whiteout. It's so funny because when I put this up on my Instagram, I had one of my friends text me and say, "Did you buy Moschino whiteout?" Like, she really thought that I would buy whiteout, like a fashion designer whiteout. I was like, no, it's not whiteout. It's nail polish that looks like whiteout. So I wanted to get it because actually I've always wanted white nail polish. I used to have one a long time ago. Don't know where it's gone. Who knows? It's probably expired anyways. And I just thought this was really cute that it actually looks like whiteout. I'm hoping if I leave it in my office, my husband doesn't actually use it as whiteout. Which that would be both hilarious and horrible. Then I picked this up, guys. This is incredible, and I was actually gonna buy this online, and when I was at the store, they actually had it right when you were gonna like check out. They had these, and I was like, perfect, that's what I was looking for. So this is the Power Duo from Anastasia. I definitely needed to get my Brow Wiz. I wear it in dark brown, but this one actually comes with this product too, and it's the mini dip brow gel, and it's the dip brow gel, and it comes, I think it's dark brown as well, and I've been wanting to try that product, and I was like, why not? It was $25 for the whole thing plus the 20% off you got. So I was like, yeah, I got 2 products for the price of 1 and a discount. Like, it was amazing. So I definitely picked this up, and I was super excited to get that. Then, and then I picked up this product. This is from LAWLESS. This is the Morning After Concealer. You guys saw my first impression on it. And this will be probably the first product I have ever sent back so quickly in my life. The other day I went to actually use it again, like just to like kind of say, well, let me try this one more time. I already knew it was drying out. I wasn't sure of the formula, but when I went to open it, literally when I went to put it on my finger, there was like a clump that ended up on my finger that was dried out. And I was like, how do you put this on? This is dry. It was dry. So you guys want to see my first impression on that one? I'm going to also link that down below, but yeah, no, that one went back. And then I picked up this. This is from Kat Von D. This is the tattoo liner. So I was not going to pick up this liner again. I was going to buy a different brand. I wanted to try something different. But when I was at Sephora, I went right up to the Too Faced one that they just came out with, like the Better Than Sex one. And I kind of swatched it on my hand and I said, I don't know why that doesn't seem that amazing. Then I went to the Kat Von D one, swatched it on my hand, and I said, oh, like this knocked it out of the park. Like, I have not found another liner better than the Kat Von D liner that I'm like, wow, that's incredible. This is a fantastic liner. Actually, it feels really nice on my eyes. It doesn't feel like it's stretching or pulling in any way. It just feels really, really good. And I love it. So I had to buy another one. So the other product that I picked up, of course, is not in the packaging anymore because I'm obsessed. I picked up one of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. This one's in BITCH Perfect, and it's so beautiful. You guys know I'm obsessed with peaches, and this is like that perfectly, this is like the perfect like peach nudish, pinkish color, and I'm wearing it right now if you guys are wondering. I love this color. I'm so obsessed. I love the Charlotte Tilbury line of lipsticks. I'm actually on a mission to start collecting some of them because I already have two, and both of them are like my go-to when it comes to nudes, so I'm loving this so much. Thing I got here is this from Fresh. This is a sugar advanced therapy. This is just a lip treatment from Fresh, and you just put it on your lips and it's supposed to make your lips feel good. So that's all I really picked up during the sale, because right before the sale I picked up this product, the Accomplice blurring powder from Marc Jacobs, and I also had just picked up the Accomplice concealer. So I already had picked up a few items before the sale even started, so those are the items I actually picked up during the actual sale. And that's all I have for that part. Now I'm going to show you guys some PR that I got. The first one is from Pixie. And guys, I was so excited to see this package. Pixie, when they send me things, I don't know it's coming. So I was so excited to see this one. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So that's the inside. It says, "From me to you, a collection of glow-enhancing products developed to bring out your most beautiful glow." So you can tell that this is a skincare. So they gave me this cool card. I am so happy that they gave me this card this time because it tells me every single one of the items that came in here, which last time I didn't know some of the stuff, what they were for. And look at this. Look at this. Look how awesome that is. These are all skincare products from Pixie, and I have been enjoying the other products that I got from them, so I'm excited to keep trying this stuff. So this first product here is the Cleanse. This is a Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. This right here, this is the Glow Tonic. I've heard actually people talk about this, and this is, you're supposed to put it on a cotton ball and actually sweep it across your face and your neck. I'm excited to try this one. I think for sure I'm going to try that one out. Then we actually have this right here. It's a Glow Tonic Serum from Pixie. Oh my god, this packaging is to die for. So you're supposed to put like 2 or 3 drops on your cleansed skin, and then you're supposed to put this on before you put on moisturizer. So that's really interesting as well. Then we have this one right here, and this is the Hydrate Phenomenal Gel. So this is just like a hydrating gel. You're supposed to put this on after you cleanse and tone, and I guess this is supposed to bring like hydration back to your skin. Interesting. And then finally here, that's a moisturizer on the Glow. So you're supposed to be able to twist it up and put it on the face. So you're supposed to like kind of use it like a deodorant on the face. That is super interesting. So yeah, I'm super excited to try all of these products. Any of the products that I don't get to try or that I don't think I'm going to try, you guys will see it in a giveaway. But the ones that I want to try, I'm going to go ahead and separate them and get to using them. So yeah, guys, if you guys didn't know that Pixie has skincare, they have skincare, and I will tell you that their under eye masks are incredible. I have them sitting right here. I use them like right before I film sometimes, or even sometimes when I'm doing my tutorials. I put them on because they feel really nice. And I will tell you guys a funny story. The other day I told my husband, I was like, why don't you put them on? Your eyes look a little bit puffy. And he put them on, and he didn't know that you were supposed to take them off like in 15 minutes, and he had them on for like 30, 40 minutes. And when I came in, I was like, oh, you still have those things on your face? He didn't get any irritation on his face, nothing. It just kind of like wiped away, and his skin was like super moisturized. So I was like, thank God it is not like a harsh kind of chemical in there. It's one of those that's like really good. So I think sensitive skin could totally wear those masks. So this company actually emailed me and told me that they wanted to send me over this product, and I was really interested in the idea. So I was like, okay, yeah, I would totally want to see what this is all about. So this is this brand called Luxury Scent Box. So basically what this is this is like a monthly subscription box for perfume, which I thought that was such a cool idea. So I was like, okay, I would totally want to see what this is about. So this isn't an ad, nothing like that. They just sent me this product for free, and I just think it's cool, so I want to share it with you guys. I do know it's $15 per month. So what you do is you create like a profile with them, and then you pick the scent that you want. And I think what it is that every month you can pick a different scent, and they send you the scent. So this is what it looks like. So this has a month's supply of scent for me, of a perfume, and when you twist it, the little top comes off, and so then you spray it like this. Tell me that's not the coolest thing. Oh, sorry. I hope you don't smell it too much. I've seen other brands do stuff like this before, but I just think it's such a good idea, because how many times do we buy huge perfume bottles, and We don't use the entire thing. You can't really travel with them because they can crack, they can break. There's so many times that I can't take my perfume with me anywhere. And I was like, gosh, you know, if I got one of these a month of different scents that I really love, I don't have to use this up in a month. I can use it a little bit, you know, wait for the next one to come. I can travel with 2 different ones. I can switch them up. I just thought this was so cool. The only thing I do not know is if every month you get the whole dispenser, or if you get the dispenser one time and then they send you just the fragrance itself. I don't know exactly how that works. So there we go. This is what the other one looks like. It's just black. And then the last one looks like this. So cute. But I just think this is a fantastic idea. I love this idea. I'm going to be trying these out. I'll give you guys a follow-up on how it worked out for me. But there's supposed to be 1 month of supply of fragrance in here. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out too. But I wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys want to sign up to this, I'm going to put a link down below. It's not an affiliate, nothing like that. It's just, I think this is a cool thing that maybe some people would be really interested in. So you see, it does say to refill, pull the vial out of the case from the top and replace with new vials. So I'm thinking that you get one of these dispensers and then every month they just send you like the fragrance that you pick. I think that's how it works. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you guys on this PR unboxing / Sephora VIB sale haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget, thumbs up, leave me your comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.